Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Come to you today on this rainy summer day on this really cool Honda Civic Type R that we have a cool parking sensor with a cool PTSV01 video adapter connected and installed on the front of this vehicle. Now you're probably wondering, like, how can a parking sensor be cool? How can this PTSV01 adapter be cool? And I'll tell you why. So basically what the PTSV01 adapter is, which is the point of me making this video, it's a video interface with the Keetec BS420 line of parking sensors, which basically allows us to display the parking sensor distance data through a video screen and through a camera. So basically what you would do, you connect this white plug to the parking sensor kit. That's what takes the sensor display, the distance display from the sensors, and converts it into video data. You put your camera in here and then you output this side to the radio, or vice versa. I have to double check. Yeah, so that's the output, that's the input. So this is a separate purchase. It's made by Steelmate, which, full disclosure, is the parent company of the Keetec parking sensors, and essentially is compatible only with the BS420 parking sensor kit. Now on this particular vehicle, we have the kit on the front of the vehicle. So I'm gonna try not to get wet. I'm just gonna demonstrate that we have parking sensors basically along the front bumper. And then I'm gonna come over here to the driver's side. I'm gonna show you exactly what the video adapter does. So essentially the vehicle is running. This is a front parking sensor kit. The reason why there's a front parking sensor kit on this vehicle is because, as you may have noticed, there's a front lip, and this is basically to allow the driver to see how close the front lip is to a curb, as well as sense any objects in front of the vehicle. So essentially, if I hit the cam button, here's what you see. You see essentially what I see, the front image. This is the front view camera, which has a view of the lip, which gives the driver the distance between him and the curb. And then this is what that PTSV01 adapter does. It gives me distance display in bright white characters on the screen. What does that mean? That means that when we come up to an object, it'll actually beep and tell us how far away we are, not using a display on the dash, but using the actual video screen, which is exactly what he would be using when he's looking at how close he is to a curb. This gives him the ability to see how close he is to an object like a car. I think it's pretty unique. There's not many parking sensors out there that offer this, and this is really a very useful use case if you want to add parking sensors to your vehicle. Again, exclusive to the Keetec BS420, using the Steelmate adapter, we can do this to your vehicle. And it doesn't have to be just the front, it can be on the rear as well. So you can do front, you can do rear, as long as you're using the BS420 series of sensors. You can either use BS420 or the BS420 LCD. Essentially what happens is it takes you from using either just the beeper speaker for the BS420 or the LCD display on the BS420 LCD, and allows you to display your parking sensor data on a video screen, and allows you to interface it with a camera. So again, front or back of the vehicle. This particular example is on the front with a very unique use case. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'll go back to the product on the back of the vehicle here so that you understand exactly what it is. That is this right here. So we will have this up. I'll put a link down below for both the PTSV01 adapter and the BS420. We'll also make a bundle on our website if you wanted to buy both of them at the same time. And essentially you have a backup camera kit that you can pair with a backup camera. And actually that's a good idea. I'll make a bundle including a camera so that you too could do this to your vehicle or have us install it for you. Again, this is Jeff at Lockdown Security. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Here's to hoping the rain goes away, but at least it's cooling down this hot summer day. Keetec BS420, Steelmate PTSV01, making parking sensor technology exciting again. Thanks for watching.